రైట్ మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు సమూహ గోల్డ్ అండ్ టౌన్షిప్ వెంచర్ మార్కెటింగ్ టీమ్ మెంబర్ హర్షాలి గారు. సో హర్షాలి గారు, మరి ఈ మార్కెటింగ్లో ఎలా గ్రోత్ ఉంది, ఎలా గెయిన్ అవుతున్నారు ఏంటి? ఎందుకంటే ఈ మధ్య కాలంలోనే మనం లేడీస్ని మార్కెటింగ్ టీంలో బాగా చూస్తున్నాము. వాళ్ళు కూడా మార్కెటింగ్లో చాలా బాగా రాణించేస్తున్నారండి. సో ఒకసారి హర్షాలి గారి రెస్పాన్స్ ఏంటో చూద్దాం. హాయ్ హర్షాలి.
Hello, good. Thank you. How are you, ma'am?
ఫైన్. హౌ ఇస్ దిస్ సమూహ గోల్డ్ అండ్ టిప్ వెంచర్?
Oh, it's a wonderful project. So, few months back only, I have joined this organization, Synergy Solution Group, and we situated at White House Building 7th floor. And in fact, earlier I was in doubt that whether to join or not join because I am from very different background. I am from overseas industry. 8.5 years I worked for overseas industry. I was a destination manager for Australia and New Zealand. I used to do visa processing and all this entire process for Australia and New Zealand. And suddenly COVID came during pandemic. We are on unpaid leave. It's very difficult to cover living expenses and all this thing. One day we just went to Synergy Group. I met with Mr. Acharya Kavi Faniraj, and it was a wonderful, day. He introduced about his project, his venture, and everything. And the next moment, I joined the organization.
Is this Samoha market?
Samoha is very good. Yeah, we are getting very good response. In fact, personally, I sold 4 plots. Yeah, within 1 month only. Yeah. So we are getting very good response because in future big pharmacy is coming, Amazon 3 data centers are coming. So people are responding very well. If we giving all this information about the projects coming, so we are getting very good response about it. Yeah.
Especially for ladies, how is this marketing field?
In fact, for lady, it's a fantastic platform. Yeah. And for lady, it's a fantastic platform. If you have caliber, you can explore, you will get different people, you can communicate with people, you can share your experience. So you're getting very good response. In fact, personally, I'm from Maharashtra. From 4.5 years, I'm staying in Hyderabad, but I'm getting very good, fantastic response from Hyderabadi people. Yeah.
Feel very happy in this Samoha.
I'm feeling very happy. Yeah, we are getting very good response. In fact, today, most probably we have some closings as well. Yeah.
Observing this all peoples and customers, how is this customers reply?
Customers reply they are very satisfied seeing the venture. They are they are saying like, no, this project is good. Yeah, it is very good investment. Yeah, best investment on earth is to invest on earth.
In this field, any challenges in this, especially marketing field?
Yeah, few challenge we are facing, but it's okay, fine. Yeah, every field we are facing challenges, but we learning so many things. And if we learning so many things, we'll become, getting that confidence. Yes, yes. Yeah, so we're getting very good exposure here. We are learning so many things. Earlier, I was aware about Australia, not at all about Hyderabad road and all HMDA. I was very weak, but now I'm learning all this thing, and now I'm absolutely perfect in that. So I'm totally aware about all this project and Hyderabad. It's fantastic project. Yeah.
So some newcomers will come. No, what you have to say for that newcomers?
Yeah, if anybody is coming to our organization for marketing team, most welcome. And it is very good platform to explore.
రైట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ హర్షాలి అండ్ విష్ యూ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. సో చూస్తున్నారు కదా, అమ్మాయిలు ఒక ఫీల్డ్ అని కాదండి, అన్ని రంగాల్లో కూడా రాణించే సత్తా అమ్మాయిలో ఉంది. ఎస్పెషల్లీ మనకు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హర్షాలి అని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు.
My name is Harshali Kukre. I'm from Maharashtra, Nagpur. Please subscribe, share and like Real Estate TV.